I would like to know if the ChatGPT script that made me tons of money since started using it about 3 weeks ago can also work on stocks. We're going to focus on Coinbase for today's example. ChatGPT is pretty busy for the day, and we're also going to add another indicator that is like the RSI. His name is QQE. Let's get to it. My name is Eve, also known as Funds After 40. Last time you check, we had these beautiful indicators that have been, it's called Z-score and fear and greed. Links to add them will be in the description below, where you can just see all the crazy wins. Let's go for crypto and show you all the wins. This is freaking amazing. Bitcoin Solana, we got in at like $8.65. If we're going on the hourly right here, see all this $8.50, $8.60. Buy. You got free trading signals from ChatGPT to go long Solana, and now you have doubled your money. This is freaking awesome. We got Ethereum pumping 1,340, Bitcoin 17,360. Also free signals for Bitcoin. Buy. When I get free signals, I'm getting super excited. We got 2 sell. We got the 3rd sell, but so this is not completely accurate with the fear and greed and the Z-score. So I want to add another one, but let's focus on one new coin. And of course, you can get 30 days trial for TradingView, link in the description. So let's go to stocks, and I'm gonna search Coinbase right here. Coinbase has been pumping pretty good. Look at this. There's no signal. We are on the hourly. One of my comments said use the 4 hours. We will, but I want to add also the QQE. And before we do that, let me check if we got a signal to buy. Amazing. We got a signal to buy right here. What was the price? 60. Okay, so not that amazing. It's $60, but this was on the 4 hour. Let's see on the hourly. Okay, hourly pumped, and we got a buy signal at 46. Okay, so it's not completely good. Got it. I got it. Okay, good to know. My focus is on crypto. Coinbase is not ideal for only those two. Again, you need to have 6 indicator total. This isn't 100%, but you could make a killing just using those two. So let's add the following QQE. How do you do that? Go to indicators, go to, I already put in my favorite QQE mode. This is like, and just click add. And basically, I'm gonna change those colors. This is like the RSI, but more smooth. Let's read a little bit about it. QQE, quantitative qualitative estimation indicators based on Wallace-Wilder RSI, based on smooth RSI value that is plotted, absolute value change in the smooth RSI value from bar to bar. Okay, and you got the 50 in the middle and 70 in here and 30. I'm just gonna do 2080 because it's more nice like that. So let's change the setting. You double click. I'm always leaving this the same, but a lot of you guys like RSI. This is like a more modern version of the RSI. We're gonna play a little with the settings in here, visibility, all that good stuff. Let me make sure I'm recording. I'll edit the setting. I'll get back. So I changed the settings. You can do the same. So basically, I left this column the same. Haven't touched this one. In the inputs, go to style. And in style, I changed the first color to yellow. So we need to have, we need to do a couple of things. We need to be above the white line, the 0 line, and above the yellow. Okay, so this is the yellow. You can change the colors. This I left the same as gray. I changed this one QQE up to green and QQE down to red. And I changed this, like made it more bold, the 0 line. Okay, and that's it. That's it. Haven't touched this line, haven't touched this line. So it goes for the 30 and 70. That's what it does. 30, 70, and basically 50. Okay. So it does say overbought, oversold, but for me, the goal is to buy, let's say here, above the 0 line and green, and then we're gonna need to add volume and all that stuff. So let's check, for example, Bitcoin for this. So you see here, we got a green signal in here and a red signal in here. Now let's assume we already in Bitcoin because we got into the trade, and I'm just doing the 1 hour chart. Okay, so on the 1 hour chart, let's see what we got. We got a long, and of course we need to back test that. And that long signal just on the fear and greed and the Z-score, okay? The yellow is the Z-score. We are -3, under 3, okay? If you don't know what I'm talking about, please leave some comments, but also check my other videos. Z-score basically means -3, where it should trade away from its mean. It's a math thing, it's statistical thing. It needs to trade around this one, the 0 line, but it's not because of volatility, because it's crypto, because of many factors. So we got long. This is the line, the blue line, okay, which means we got a long at this price, 16,650. Let's call it 16,650. So we got the Z-score long, the fear and greed long at 16,500. But if we add this indicator, the QQE, we are not entering the trade just yet. Okay, that's interesting. So we're not entering at 16,000. What is this? 16,670, something like that. Going down. And theoretically, because it's on the hourly chart and you don't know the future, you would probably get in here. So in here, if we do the math, you got in at a little higher, 16,700. And then I'm not gonna sell because you got a long, but this is the beauty. Ideally, if you're just doing the hourly, you would get in and this nice pump, which means 16,560. So not a big deal, just a couple of hours later. If we do this on the 15 minutes chart, okay, but before we do, I just want to check when to sell. So the first signal, the Z-score and the fear and greed, I'm trying to find something that combated, that if those two gave me a sell signal, but I don't want to sell because I want to see the gains, I want another confirmation. So the Z-score told me sell, okay, that's the Z-score, the big red. Fear and greed told me to sell. It touches the red line, but this one that I just added is super green, QQE, beautiful thing. So when Bitcoin was at 16,860, let's say, right here, I would have sell if I didn't have this, which is beautiful. So now that I have this, and I used this indicator before, I'm probably gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna do a couple more tests. I'm not selling. So if I'm still in Bitcoin, I'm still here. We're gonna check Solana in a minute. And when do you sell? So we got a sell signal here, no, and we got a sell signal here, but this is a buy, so you're still in the trade. And then we're going up, and let's see here, we got another sell signal for the Z-score and the fear and greed. Honestly, I think just the Z-score and maybe change the setting from 3 to like 3.5 or something like that. We'll see. But we got still super green. We're not selling. This is a beautiful stuff. So you're still in the trade and you collect all these beautiful juicy gains. Already 17,400 almost. 350. Let's go for Solana real quick for the killing that we made with $8. Okay, where was the start? Right here, 860, 895. I want to see, this is $12. Okay, let's see where we are. This was I don't know, $10. Here we go, 3 in a row. We got 3 in a row. So this one is 880, go long. Solana, this is the 1 hour. Of course, you can change this. $9 and basically $9. But Solana was right here at 10. Okay, so this is the Z-score. We got a Z-score and the fear and greed, long, 3 signals. But Solana itself was around 997. Then it dropped here. But this is red. You don't take the trade. Interesting. Red. Again, you're waiting for a green and above the 0 line, which is this one. So we got a nice pump in here, and now you go long Solana at $9. Look at this, $9. You go long Solana, and now this is nice because we got long in here above the 0 line, long in here, long, all the same. And now let's see here. So we got a sell signal for Solana at 1350 on the Z-score and the fear and greed. Fear and greed gave us a short at 14. This core told us to go short at 1334, but this one, the QQE, told us we are still long. So I'm still in this trade. Beautiful. I think this will help us to gain even more value from our trade. So let's see what's next. So when do you close the trade? You wait for the next signal. The next signal we got in here. For Solana, the Fear and Greed told us to close the trade at 17. This core told us to close the trade around 16.7, but the QQE told us, hey, Solana is still on. You are still in play, and Solana can go on and on. This is a beautiful thing. Join the mailing list below so we can stay in touch. Plus, you get free spreadsheet with tons of crypto valuable websites to make 2023 amazing for you. I'll see you guys next time.